This is what my sleep paralysis demon looks like.
Hey guys, I'm Billy.
And I'm Bobby.
And welcome to our Halloween special.
Today we're going to be picking a character which has some kind of special effects element to it, and we have to recreate that look in under 20 minutes.
Yeah.
Halloween, this is Halloween.
Please be someone pretty. Good. Who have you got?
All I will say is, he must not be named.
Halloween, was it? Halloween. All right.
They do say she looks like Cameron Diaz.
That is the least prettiest one of the lot. I have said in the past before that I do look like her.
Don't be nasty.
In the mornings I do look like Momo, so I feel like it's a good fit. Probably don't even need to do anything. Just wake up tomorrow morning and the challenge will be pretty much done. Hack.
3, 2, 1.
Right, 20 minutes
Right.
to become an ogre. I mean, to be fair, I've got approximately 19 minutes more than they had to become an ogre. They just went ding and here I am.
She's not balding a lot on her face, Momo. She's not got a lot of hair on her face. Bless.
Well, who likes my swimming cap? Have I got a mullet?
Right, do you know who my actual celebrity lookalike is though? Mayor Augustus Mayhew.
Oh.
If you look at him and look at me, it's
why the
literally
mayor?
Same person. If you switch them, you wouldn't even know.
What is this?
That looks like earwax.
It does.
It's ripped out from
It's
the
like
ear
what they
canal.
pull out of Shrek in the little, and he eats
Makes
it.
a candle. No, he makes a candle. A
yeah.
romantic candle.
Yeah, that's it.
Oh,
Guys,
no.
I've really messed this up. I am a hag.
I wish I had different like pads for my hands.
I've also found something white and liquidy, so I'm just going to apply that.
Oh, be careful.
Right. Do I have to?
I'm a professional, so ask
Beat it up.
away.
Okay, I'm getting somewhere. I think, she says.
Not one bit.
Hello, Daddy.
Oh my god.
Sorry, I panicked, something went up my nose.
I look like something from The Grinch. Martha Moo, Hoovier.
I should not work on this channel. This is my formal resignation. Oh no.
Oh, sorry, but this is actually coming along quite well.
You're going to look...
I feel like Lady Gaga in Star is Born.
Oh, it's the stinging for me.
Does it sting?
Oh yes, sir.
Mine doesn't sting.
Where's the glue?
What glue? That glue?
Get out my swamp.
Hey, you better speak to the Dark Lord with a little bit more respect. Tom, marvellous riddle, baby.
Why is yours started working now?
It's coming called trusting the process, sir.
I've read a theory though as well with the Harry Potter films. Not the films, the books. They mirror each other. The first and last book are about contact with Voldemort.
Yeah.
And fight. Voldemort's history, so Chamber of Secrets, and then Half-Blood Prince, about Harry's parents. Right!
Do I breathe or not breathe? That is the question.
Don't breathe. Oh my god, no, mine is actually coming together like if you squint.
Harry Potter is dead!
That's Home Alone. Not even the right film.
What a lovely family heirloom.
You look like you've just come out of decomposition.
My platypus is going wrong.
Right, you know, one thing, Fiona, is that you shouldn't put other people down just because you look like a fluorescent bogey.
Ah!
Sorry.
I look like someone's installed a shelf on my nose.
IKEA.
I would just like to point out at this point, I've not had any training in special effects or makeup
haven't.
ever in my life.
How are you meant to do this with your eyes open? For God's sake, I'm getting stressed.
Is this 3D?
Blue-eyed girl. Here she is.
Why is my water green? Oh,
I apologise to anyone who likes Harry Potter right now because this is not it.
oh my god, I was putting it in the wrong flipping place.
Where?
I was putting it on my nose and it meant to go here.
Oh.
I don't think you should put yourself down.
Thanks, but sometimes even dark wizards have bad days.
Oh, I didn't do that. It's falling
Oh,
apart.
I look like a cat. Meow.
I think yours was a little bit harder than mine and it shows.
Air raid siren.
My favourite part about the Grinch's body
Man Crush Monday
is his long hair on his fingers.
I love it too.
Oh, it's okay because my teeth are already yellow, so I don't have to change them.
That was my audition for The Grinch 2. How COVID stole Christmas.
Really bad. Really bad. Is it really, really bad?
Have you seen the actual picture of Momo? And she's got like amazing boobs.
Rosie likes Momo's boobs, pass it on.
What do my eyes look like?
She's not got a mouth.
I've got enough mouth for everyone if you want a bit of mine.
Yeah.
He wants to come to my chamber of secrets. Wow, we are just two kooky ghouls.
I'm going to be singing Sherlock by Sherlock. Oh,
Rebecca,
I can't see.
Oh my god, you should be a representative at MAC.
I can't see it. Is this my wig?
Did you think you'd see the day where Voldemort put on Shrek's
Lashes.
eyelashes?
He owns eyelashes.
My height is growing 4 sizes. Look at my earrings with this look. That's it.
That was daunting.
It was really hard.
Exhilarating. Oh, the adrenaline. I haven't been to a game like that in years.
welcome to this Christmas day.
Yahoo, yahoo,
What do you think?
I think you've nailed that.
Yeah?
I don't know about the special effects department. What do you think of each other's looks?
This is what my sleep paralysis demon looks like.
I think I do look like Uncle Fester from the Addams Family a little bit.
I can't really see that well out of these ping pong balls, but from what I can see out of the tiny little hole, it's good.
I think from far away, I'd give it a 7. Up close, a solid 2.
It is hard though. I always think like I see a video and then I'm like, oh, that would be so easy.
Yeah.
And then I start doing it. I'm like, what am I doing?
I wouldn't do this again. It was nice little experience, but something that it's like you do it on your bucket list. You do it once, you never do it again, like running a marathon.
Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to share this with your friends.
Let us know in the comments what you thought of our attempts at trying SFX and what video you want to see from us next.
Bye. Happy Halloween.